Believe it or not, this is how massive cruise ships handle their wastewater. You might be wondering, does dumping that filthy water straight into the ocean really not pollute it? A single cruise ship has thousands of toilets on board, generating hundreds of tons of waste every single day, and these ships often sail for long stretches without stopping. So, to save time, most cruise lines release that wastewater directly into the sea. But here's the twist, it's not raw sewage they're dumping. Before discharge, the wastewater goes through a full treatment process. It's filtered and broken down to remove harmful elements before it's finally released into open water.